everyone, welcome back. My name is Abby, and today I'm going to be showing you an exercise to really strengthen your upper body. Yeah, we want strong arms to help with sharpness in our dancing and to help us do cool tricks. So this is an exercise I did with teachers when I was growing up, and I feel like it really helped. So we're gonna start in a plank position. In this exercise, we're gonna do a lot of push-ups, yeah? So you really gotta use your arm strength. The key is to keep your body flat. We don't want to pike and we don't want to arch. Yeah, really engage that core, be flat. So we're gonna start to the front. Do a push-up. Here, we walk our hand in, we walk our hand out. Another push-up, yeah? We're gonna repeat this all the way around ourselves. So our feet stay in the center of us, we do a big old circle with our hands. Yeah, shake it off, breathe a little, go the other way. So I do my push-up, I bring in my other hand, walk it out, and I go all the way around the other way. Yeah? It's a lot of push-ups, but you guys can do it, really just keeping that body flat and using those strong arms. You guys got this.